What's the deal? Coming back with another video. And this video right here is way overdue, man. But it's only because I had to get this set up and I had to give you guys better audio. But let's jump into it. Today we actually going to be talking about options. How to buy options trade and how you even get options. So we're going to go into our app store because I had iPhone. If you got Android, you're going to go to the Google Play Store. I believe that's what it's called. I don't know, I haven't had Android for so long. So, yeah, but we're going to go into the Apple Store. And we're going to type in RobinHood. We're going to click on this one with the green leaf or whatever it is. Click download, and it's basically like a trading platform that you can use to trade off of. So we're going to download that, and you guys can also get more information out of it. You scroll down, click more, tell you all about it. So after we get done downloading, we're going to open it up. And it might be different for, well, it might, I won't say it might, but it's going to be different for me because I actually have an account with RobinHood, but I don't use RobinHood no more. I use Charles Schwab. But RobinHood is actually better than Charles Schwab because RobinHood, if you place a trade and you sell a trade, they won't charge you. Like with Charles Schwab, if I buy a trade, they charge me like $5 or $3. Then if I sell it, they charge me another fee. But RobinHood don't charge no fees if they still have it. The same, it was like 3 years ago when I traded on RobinHood, but it's actually a better platform. Why I don't trade with them no more, that's another story. But we're going to actually click on the man all the way to the right or the woman, whichever one you want to call it. Click the three symbols at the top, and then we're going to click on investing. Now, like I said, it might be different. It's going to be different for you guys because I already have an account. But if you guys download it and you sign up, it's going to just take you straight through the stats. But since I already have an account, I'm going to it manually. So now we're going to go all the way down to where it say options trading. But I already have options on my phone, so I'm going to delete it so I can show you guys how to get options. So I'm going to click on option settings, and I'm going to click remove options. So now mine should be just like you guys. I'm going to click on the search bar, and I'm going to type in Tesla. And the chart said
this is actually a Tesla chart. I'm trying to scope them boys out.
But anyways, now this is the difference. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you guys this right now because this is a good teaching. So where it say buy, you just got the options to buy Tesla. And when you buy them, just like a long-term hold. It don't have no expiration date on it. See, that's the difference between buying Tesla and then buying Tesla options. Options have an expiration date, so they expire at a certain date. So, yeah, I don't have options right now because I deactivated. So now we're going to click on the man all the way in the corner. Now, options trading disabled. Now we're going to click on enable options trade. So now we signing up for it. We're going to click continue. Now I say, do you know how to enter an option spread? And you're going to press I entered a spread before, because I believe if you press I'm not sure how to enter a spread, I believe they're going to deny you because they're like, oh, you don't know what you're doing. So we're going to click on I entered a spread before. Then you want to review all this. So we're going to start with the first one. Say goal. Say what is your main goal with the money you are investing in this account? And we're going to click on the last option, grow this money. Then it say risk tolerance. Which type of investment are you most comfortable with? And we're going to click on the medium risk. And then you're going to fill out your financial, your job, basically where you work at, your yearly income, and this is all my old information that's already plugged in because like I said, I had RobinHood 3 years ago, so I'm not going to touch none of this. I'm going to leave all this the same. Yearly income, Then whether you single, divorced, married, dependent status. And then we're going to click on cash investments. Now I say, what is the current total value of your cash and investments? So I think this is like all your money that add up to, if you put all your money total up together, how much you have, whether it's from owning your own business, working, or doing other things, side jobs, whatever it may be. That's all your money calculated up. So we're going to just click on 50 through 24,000. And then total net worth. What is your total net worth? We're going to click on 50 through 24,000. Source of funding. And I believe all that stuff at the top, like cash investment and total net worth, that really don't matter. They just want to see what you have. So it's a source of fund. So how are you going to, fund this account? And we're going to put savings or personal income because, if you're watching this, you probably work and you're probably trying to get out of work. So we're going to click on personal income. And then it say investing experience. It said, do you provide investment advice as a part of your job? I do, as y'all see right now. No, I'm playing. We're going to click no. And then are you registered with a financial regulator? You're going to click no. And then it say investment experience. So, how long you been doing this, how much experience do you have investing? And we're going to put a good amount. Now, this the one that's for years. It said, how much options trading experience do you have? Like I said before, I've been trading for a long time, so I'm going to put 3 or more years. Now, you could put none or less than 1 year, but like I said, I believe that they're going to deny your application. So you could try that, and if they deny you, just look back at this video and follow the blueprint. So we're going to put 3 or more years, and then go confirm it. I agree. Okay, now it say application approved. So now this is what you got approved for. Buying calls and puts, that's something I do. Selling covered calls, I don't use that no more. That's not something I do anymore. Selling cash covered puts, I don't do that no more. Exercising options, I exercise options. Then say buying and selling spreads. That's something I don't do. So I don't really do none of these anymore but buying calls and puts. And that's something that you're going to do too. That's the most simplest one. So we're going to click continue. Then we're going to enable options alert. Get notified for it. So now it say options trade and we are at level 3. Which is good. We can trade options now. That's all we're trying to do. We're trying to make money. Whether it's day trading, swing trading, we're trying to make it. Okay, now so we're going to click all the way to the left where it show like the chart trending up. And now it should be on Tesla still. If it's not on Tesla for you guys, we're going to click on the search bar, click Tesla, type in Tesla or whatever. Then now, when you click trade, you see how I say trade options now? And then it say buy. At first it was just buy. It didn't give you the options to trade options. So now you have that option. So we're going to click on trade options. Now, this is the difference. You see at the top where it says September 22nd and September 29th, that's the expiration dates. So on September, if we click on September the 22nd, that means if we buy one of these options called, whether it's 270, 267, it's going to expire this Friday on the 22nd. So the 29th is basically next week Friday. Then October 6th is the following week after that Friday. It's always going to be on a Friday. So let's just go over September 22nd. So this is the first thing you're going to do if you trying to place an options trade. You're going to click on the expiration date. So you basically say, I want to get to September 22nd. I want my contract to expire on this Friday. And you're going to pick on which one. So you got buy and sell. So right now we're going to focus on buy because you're buying it right now. You're not selling it. You don't have rights to sell it because you don't own it yet. So we're going to click on buy. And we're going to talk about the one that say 270 call. Let's break that one down. So you got the 270 car. That's basically going to be the strike price. Right now, Tesla is trading at 265.87. Now, if you get the 270 car, you basically saying Tesla is going to go up to 270. So right now they at 265, and you saying that they're going to go up to 270. The price of it is 3.40. Now, no, that's not $3.40. You're going to times that by 100. So 3.40 times 100 is what? 340. And that's how all of them go. Every time you see, like, if you look above it or below, whichever you want to say, like 253, that's going to be 253. Then you got 340, 435. You're going to always times it by 100 if you ever forget. Let's keep talking over this one. So now, also where it say call, you got call and put. So you basically saying Tesla is going to go up to 270. So call is like a bud. A bud is basically saying they running up. I'm speaking, you know, the lingo. So bud and bear. Bud is saying that they're going to go up, and bear is saying that they're going to fall. So call is saying that they're going to go up, and put is saying they're going to fall. Same thing. So you basically saying that, like I said, Tesla is going to go up to 270, and you buying it for $340. That's one contract. If you get two contracts, now that's 340 times 2, so that would be 680. Now let's talk about the put side of it. You click on put, you basically saying we're going to talk about the 262.5, and that's going for $395. Let's just be sure. One contract, $395. So now, if you get the put side, you basically saying Tesla is going to fall to 262.5. And right now, they are trading at 265.60. So that's the difference between call and put. Call is saying that the market is going to go up. Put is saying that the market is going to crash, basically meaning fall. So that's the difference between call and put. And that's also the difference between trading options and buying. Trading option, you have an expiration date. It expired. So if, for example, let me talk about that one a little more. If you go to the September 22nd, and we're going to talk about call. If you get the 270 call, and let's say, for example, Tesla is just falling. By September 22nd, if they don't run up to 270, your contract is going to expire worthless. Now, you still can sell before that time. Like, for example, if they were supposed to run up to, like, they had 265 and say they run up to, like, 275. If it ain't Friday yet, you can still stay in or you can sell them. But when Friday come and the market closes at 4:30, it automatic sell. Now, if it's worthless, you don't get none. If it's worth something, they'll pay you out for that. So yeah, that's the difference, man. And that's how you download options.
So I'm gonna catch you guys on another video. Oh, let me know if this, video look good, way better than the other one, which I already know, but you guys rate it. Give me rating from 1 through 10 on how better do it look than the other one that I recorded.